this is Mamta Chaudhary from the British English Academy. So today we have come with some vocabulary. You know, vocabulary is very important for making any topic. You have done many grammatical rules, so it's time to enrich your word bank. So as COVID-19 is going on, so it's not possible to provide you offline classes, so we have come with the online classes. Hope you will enjoy it. So let's start with the vocabulary related to the God. What do we say to the Parmeshwar, Paramatma, Ishwar? That is called God. God is also having a definition, like G word stands for generator, O stands for operator, and D stands for destroyer. Means God generates us, operates us, and finally destroys us. You know, there are three gods: Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, means Shiva. So they have their own work. Like Lord Brahma, he is considered to be the generator, means Srishtikarta. Lord Vishnu is considered to be the operator, Palankarta, and Lord Shiva is considered to be the destroyer, Vinashkarta. Okay, so what do we say to the Devta? Like Lord, like when we pray to the God, so we generally say, "Oh Lord." Next is the Devi. Devi Mata, that is called goddess. Mandir. Mandir is called temple. Gurudwara is called Gurudwara in English. Masjid is called mosque. Girjaghar is called church. Murti, like when we go to the temple, so we have many murtis of God, that is called idol. Murti puja is called idolatry. We can also say idol worship. Puja karna, worship. Pratna karna, pray. Swarg. Swarg is called heaven. We can also say paradise. Rishi Muni, like sadhu, that is called sage. Bhikshuk, sannyasi, that is called monk. Next is the Mala Japna. Japna is, like Mala Japna is called to tell someone's beads. And if we say Mala only, that is called rosary. Like our grandparents or the old people, mostly when they worship to the gods, so they generally have in their hands. Like there are 108 beads in that rosary. Next is the Mantra Japna. That is called recite mantras, or we can also say chant mantras. Like Shlok Japna, that is also recite shlokas. Vardhan. Vardhan is called boon. Abhishap is called bane. Shrap Dena, that is called curse. Like Rishi Muni, when they used to be angry or when someone used to do any bad work, so they used to curse them. Sometimes they used to make them snake, or sometimes they used to make them something else. Okay, next is Guru. Guru is called Guru. We can also say mentor. Devdut, Farishta, that is called angel. Pari. Pari is called fairy, like Pariyon ki kahani, that is called fairy tales. Like our grandparents or our parents, they used to tell us the fairy tales. Next is Yamdut. Yamdut is called angel of death. And Purvaj, hamare Pitra, that is called ancestors or forefathers. Vrat. Vrat is called fast, like during Navratras or many other occasions when people they leave hungry, they do not eat anything, that is called fast. Vrat rakhna is keep fast. Shankh. Shankh is called conch. Trishul. Trishul is called trident. And Gada, like that is called mace, like Bajrangbali he is having in his hand, that is called mace. Next is, you know, there are three trees which Hindus mainly worship, that is Peepal, Bargad, and Neem. We generally say Triveni when they are grown together. So Peepal in English is Peepal, Bargad is Banyan, and Neem is Neem. Next is Shubh. Shubh is called auspicious, like Shubh Avsar. So auspicious occasion. Ashubh is called inauspicious. Next is Dharam. Dharam is called religion. Like we have many religions in our country, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. and dharmik is called religious. Tirth sthal, that is called shrine. Tirth yatra, pilgrimage. Tirth yatri, pilgrims. Havan, Havan is called Havan, or we can say the sacred fire. Sogandh, that is called swear, like kasam we can also say. It's like Bhagwan ki kasam, like God swear. If we do any work and we want to prove ourselves, so we say God swear. Ghanti, Ghanti is called bell. And when we go to the temple, so the priest is there, that is called pujari, pujari or prohit, the person who takes care of temples, that is called priest. So he gives us something to eat, that is called mana, and generally we also offer like prasad, that is in Hindi, but in English we say mana when we just offer the mana to the god, like prasad chadhana. Next is pralay ke din, that is called doomsdays, like qiyamat ke din we can also say, that is doomsdays. Bhakti, bhakti is called devotion, and bhakt is called devotee, like I am the devotee of Lord Vishnu, I am the devotee of Lord Shiva, I am the devotee of Lord Bajrangbali. Shraddha, Vishwas, that is called faith or trust, like I have faith in God. Like some people, they do not have faith in God, and the people who have faith in God, they are called theist, astic, and the people who do not have faith in God, they are called atheist, nastic. Bhasm, rak, asthiyan, that is called ashes. You know, there when some people they go to any baba, they give them babhuti, like people they apply on their head or sometimes they lick, so that is also called ashes. Okay. Next is चरण स्पर्श करना, that is touch the feet, like हम बड़ों को का सुबह उठ के हम बोलते हैं बच्चों को कि चरण स्पर्श करने चाहिए, that is touch the feet. Next is अवतार, like भगवान ने बहुत सारे अवतार लिए, like भगवान विष्णु ने राम का अवतार, कृष्ण का अवतार, so that is called incarnation. So God had many incarnation in different eras. So yug is called era, and yugo se is called 4 ages. Fal, like mehnat ka fal, that is called fruit of your hard work or result of your hard work. Next is ग्रंथ, like हमारे बहुत सारे ग्रंथ हैं अलग अलग धर्मों में, so that is called holy books, like Hindus they have Ramayana, Gita, Bhagavad Gita, so that is called holy book. Or Vedas, that is in English Vedas. Singhasan is called throne, Mukut is called crown. Rath is chariot. Amrit is called nectar, like when the devils and the deities they had some fight for the Amrit, like who will get, so that was the nectar. Amar is immortal, and Nashwan, like some we are mortals, हम एक दिन खत्म हो जाएंगे, so we are mortals. Next is नामकरण संस्कार, like when a child is born, so they are given a name with some ceremonies, so that is called baptism, नामकरण संस्कार. Next is gufa, like that is called cave, like when we go to Vaishno Devi, so there is Pavitra Gufa, there we can do darshan of Mata, so that is called cave. So these are some words. I think these words will be really helpful to you. If I have forgot any word, and if you want to know any word related to the gods, so please type in the comment box. I would really feel happy to answer the queries. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe.